show you guys what we did here. So we already did the side markers on this vehicle. On the driver's side, it's very simple. You just put your hand in through here and you have the bulb literally right here. But the passenger side is more of a pain because you have the box in the way. So what we did here is we pulled off these 2 screws which hold this bracket in. They were 10 millimeters. We took off the 10 millimeters. Now we could pull this down and we could wedge it in there. It gives us a little bit more room to put your hand in through here and twist the bulb out, which actually is right here in the bottom. Actually, I thought it was connected, but yeah, it gives you room to go in here, turn the bulb counterclockwise, pull the socket out, and you have the bulb right here. So we're gonna show you guys. We're gonna plug in the bulb. We have the bulb right here with us, and we're gonna show you guys how to do the install. So you really don't have any room. You're gonna take that bulb out and put your T10 amber bulb inside there, and you're gonna go back in. Once it's in, you're gonna lock it in. I thought I had it. I guess I was wrong. Make sure I line them up. There you go, or not.